Welcome to the Nepal Manipal College of Medical Sciences, Pokhara, where the dream of becoming a doctor begins with excellence, discipline, and global vision. Nestled in the breathtaking valley of Pokhara, embraced by the majestic Annapurna range and the serenity of nature, NMCOMs stand as one of most South Asia's respected and established medical institution. This is not just a medical campus. This is the legacy of trust and transformation. Established in the year 1994, NMCOMs proudly holds the distinction of being first medical private college in Nepal, a pioneering institution built on strong academic foundations. Affiliated with Kathmandu University and recognized by Nepal Medical Council, acknowledged by ECFMG and SLMC, and listed in the World Health Organization directory as a reputed medical school. NMCOMs represent credibility, integrity, and international acceptance. For over 3 decades, it has stood as a symbol of academic excellence, shaping doctors who serve with competence, confidence, and compassion across the globe. More than 1,500 Indian students and over 450 Sri Lankan students have graduated from the college and are successfully serving the country as a doctor. That's not just a number, it's a powerful testimony of trust. The institution offers comprehensive programs including MBBS, MD, MS, and DM, designed to meet international medical standards and evolving healthcare demands. The curriculum is structured, rigorous, and outcome-driven, ensuring strong theoretical foundation combined with real clinical competence. Prepare students for global licensing pathways such as USMLE, PLAB, and other international licensing exams, empowering them to pursue career without borders. Modern lecture halls, digital classrooms, modern libraries with digital learning systems, recreational and sports facilities, well-equipped advanced laboratories, high-fidelity simulation centers creates a dynamic learning environment that bridges theory with practice. At the heart of NMCOMs stand a state-of-the-art 750-bed super specialty teaching hospital, fully functional tertiary care center equipped with advanced diagnostic imaging technologies, modern operation theaters, and specialized medical departments. From the early years of training, students gain extensive hands-on clinical exposure under the expert supervision. Here, students do not just observe medicine, they practice it, they analyze it, they master it. This is where competence is built. This is where future doctors are shaped. Here, students enjoy spacious hostels, hygienic cafeterias, modern libraries, sports facilities, and recreational areas. For parents, safety and comforts are paramount, and Pokhara provides a secure, student-friendly environment. Here, academic life is balanced with cultural programs, sports events, and student activities that foster leadership, teamwork, and personal growth. Students find not just education but a second home. If you are serious about becoming a doctor, if you seek structured academics, strong clinical exposure, global recognition, and a safe environment, choose legacy, choose performance, choose credibility. Nepal Manipal College of Medical Sciences, Pokhara. Excellence with integrity. Education with global reach. A future built on confidence. Your journey begins here. you.